Hey Nash, what should we make?
Inflation is so bad, I haven't eaten in days. I'm starving over here.
Dude, you just ate multiple times. Besides, you're one of those spoiled dogs in the world. There is video proof on this channel.
Okay, fine, you're right. But inflation does suck. So you should cook something delicious that people can make on a tight budget.
All right, let's make an Inflation Sucks casserole. Inflation sucks. Prices at the grocery store, I'm sure you've noticed, are out of control. So I wanted to make a series of videos here and there. I'll turn them into a playlist specifically for Inflation Sucks videos. These are recipes I either looked up, I have made, or made up that are gonna be really, really easy on the pocketbook, easy on the wallet. So things you can make for you and your family or do a little meal prepping or whatever. Super easy for super cheap. So I'll even put the prices in as I go along. But today we're making a Cajun beef casserole. And hopefully by the time I publish this video, I'll have a better name for it. Let's go. So this is going to be a casserole. So we start with a little bit of cornbread mix. It's going to be our base. We've made cornbread from scratch here, I think more than once, but I've made it a ton of times. And today we're using this. Sometimes it's okay to cheat, folks. Don't worry about it, especially if you're on a budget. So we got 1/3 of a cup of milk here. I'm just following the package guidelines. 1 egg. I'll whisk this up. And we got our package of cornbread mix. Then we're gonna pour this into our, I think this is a 9x13 casserole dish. And just sort of spread this over the bottom. Then we set this aside. Then our cast iron skillet on medium heat with a little bit of neutral oil. We throw in a pound of ground beef. Just break it up. We're just gonna cook this until it's not quite done, but no pink left. Once your beef is brown, you want to go ahead and drain off the excess juice here. Then we add 2 cans of diced tomatoes, drained. 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables have been thawed. You can literally use any vegetables you want. Just make sure that they're chopped up nice and bite-size-ish. And 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste. Whoops, man overboard. Just make a huge mess. Once you get everything stirred in, just kind of wait till it gets to a little bit of simmer here. We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning. Stir that in, and then I would taste it to see if you want to add any more seasoning. And once we're starting to get some simmering going on here, we're just gonna cook this uncovered for about 5 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350. After 5 minutes, we can kill the heat and we can go ahead and put this on top of our little cornbread mix. And we just kind of spread this out, try to even it out here. Now we grate some cheddar cheese. Then we sprinkle our shredded cheddar over the top of this guy. You could use pre-shredded cheese. The problem with pre-shredded cheese is it's treated with some sort of anti-caking agent so the pieces don't stick together. But the problem is that kind of inhibits the meltage, the melty goodness of just shredding your own block cheese. So just keep that in mind. You can rinse pre-shredded cheese like you would rinse rice, and it will get rid of that caking agent, but I just don't know if it's worth it. So that being said, in a pinch, like I say, all the time, use what you got. So if all you got is pre-shredded cheese, use it. Don't not make something because you don't have the perfect ingredients. Make it with what you got. All right, so now this is ready to go. So we're gonna throw this in our 350 oven that we preheated a while back, and we're going to leave it uncovered for 25 to 30 minutes until the cheese is melted, everything's cooked. We just want this to get sort of cheesy, melty goodness, a little bit golden browny crispiness on the top. While our casserole's cooking, let's just go ahead and slice us up a little bit of green onions to top our guy with. Once it's done. Once our cheese is all melted, you're starting to get a little bit of a golden brown around the edges. Everything should be good to go. So then we just need to do a little garnish here. So we're gonna do some green onions that we chopped. I'm gonna spread these over, not the whole thing, because we need a nice onion-free piece for Nash. But you know, I'll do over 2/3 of it. All right, now let's get a nice piece here. Oh yeah, right there. There is our Cajun beef casserole, low rent knockoff chili cornbread casserole. Inflation sucks, installment 1. I'm just gonna put a little bit of extra greens on here. Time for a bite. Cheers. That's a really good combination. I'm not really sure what makes it Cajun, to be honest. I mean, we put Cajun seasoning in there. But yeah, I'm really getting some kind of, a little bit of like chili and cornbread vibes. It's a little sweet, it's savory. It's just a really, really good dish. And I believe the total comes in somewhere under $14. You know, you saw that it's a 9x14 pan. So that's, I would say, 6 to 8 servings. But easily you could feed a family of 4 on less than 14 bucks. I don't even think you can feed yourself a McDonald's for 14 bucks. So yeah. Let's see what Nash thinks. Hey bud, hey, look what we got for you. You wanted me to make an inflation sucks meal. So this is our inflation sucks installment number 1, Cajun beef casserole, knockoff chili cornbread casserole. I'm not sure what to call it. What do you think, bud? What do you think?
That's so good, and it doesn't even taste cheap.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
A penny saved is a penny earned.
All right, Nash approves, I approve. I think this is a great inflation buster. Like I said, under 14 bucks, you can serve make at least 4 meals out of this. And I would say that's, you know, some pretty healthy servings. So thank you so much for watching. Really appreciate you. If you wouldn't mind taking a second to go like, subscribe, and share, we would really appreciate it. That'd mean a lot to us and help us out. If you want notifications every time we drop a new video, go ahead and hit that notification bell. If there's anything you want me to cook, you want me and Nash to taste, go ahead and drop that in the comments or head over to the website, timschaoskitchen.com. Send us a message there. Just remember, cook more, eat better, embrace the chaos. That's it for now, folks. Till next time, peace.